Wild time yoga. Breath for 10 counts. Stretch. Next side. Warrior 2. Next side. Warrior I. Next side. Downward dog. Tree pose. Next side. Boat pose. Stretch. Next side. Breath for 10 counts. Well done.